Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to sell Bitcoin on Cash App. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and sell Bitcoin on Cash App. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But in order to do this, what you're first going to do is that you're going to click onto Cash App. And then next, you're going to click on the bottom left-hand corner. And then from here, underneath Save and Invest, you're going to click on Bitcoin. Once you click on Bitcoin, you're going to have the option to buy or sell or transfer. So as you can see, let's click on the Sell button, verify your ID. And then here is where you're going to enter the amount of Bitcoin that you want to go ahead and sell. So as you can see, we can sell $1.41 worth of Bitcoin. And so that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and sell Bitcoin on Cash App. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.